Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to edit dimensions. So we have this example 3D objects and I will insert the dimension by using this dimension tools. You can click from this corner into here. Okay, we create the example dimension and also at this point. The next, if you want to edit the dimensions, you can select the dimension like this, select all dimension and then go to entity info. In here you can see we have a lot of option. You can change for the font size. I will set into 15. Now the font size will be automatically changed for the height. The other option, if you want to change like for arrows, you can click in advanced attributes, click at these points to show drop down menu. And then we have the option like text position. You can set offset or offset star. In there, the default will be set into center. And this is for the endpoints or arrows. You can change like into slash. Now the dimension will be automatically into slash. Okay, I will set text position like into outside. This is for outside end, and this is outside star. So you can change at this point. And this is for the aligns to dimension. You can set above, outside, or set into the center point. If you don't, you can click outside here. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial how to edit dimensions. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.